Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure you have administrator rights and that important files are backed up. This avoids interruptions. Once ready, press Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to System and choose Recovery. Make sure to focus on Advanced Startup. Click Restart Now. You do this because Advanced Startup launches the firmware and boot tools outside the running OS. Once the machine restarts, prepare to pick a troubleshooting or boot device option from the blue menu. This is the gateway to the boot menu. Once the PC reboots into the blue recovery screen, select Troubleshoot so you can access deeper tools. From there, pick advanced options to reveal choices such as UEFI firmware settings or startup settings. Choose UEFI to enter BIOS-style boot menus if needed. If you pick startup settings, click Restart and then select the numbered option you need, like Safe Mode or Disable Driver Signature Enforcement. This step matters because it lets you change boot order or enable alternate boot modes that the normal Windows session cannot alter. Now decide whether to boot from a device or repair Windows. If you need a USB or DVD, enter UEFI settings and adjust the boot order, or use the motherboard's boot menu key, often F12, F10, ESC, or F8, immediately during post. For startup failures, pick Automatic Repair or Open Command prompt to run Bootrec and check disk tools. If the system ignores changes, power cycle and try again. And make sure you know the exact boot key for your PC. This resolves most access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.